So government is basically taking some steps. For example, sir, recently the High Court in Himachal Pradesh has ordered the government to clear the encroachment in Shimla district region. But sir, there is a conflict of interest because sir, that region is particularly contributing to the economy of Himachal Pradesh itself. For example, sir, there is a cultivation of apple orchards in that area, and so there is a conflict going on right now. What is the requirement of the people, and what there is a need for the conservation of forest and environment. Sir, Anganwadi workers are basically associated with the grassroots welfare system in different parts of our country. They deal with the education and awareness of the lactating mothers and pregnant women and ensure the proper welfare of infants and children in that particular community. Sir, it's VBG Ramji, Viksit Bharat Guaranteed Rozgar and Ajivika Mission. Sir, it is basically introduced to upgrade the MG Narega, which has been going on till now. Sir, in this, there is a major structural changes that has been introduced in the MG Narega bill, MG Narega Act, which was earlier there. Sir, first is the number of days has been increased from 100 to 125 days. सेकेंड सर, जो इसमें पेमेंट जो मिलती है उसका ड्यूरेशन 15 डेज होता था पहले कि 15 डेज के अंदर प्रोवाइड हो जाए, तो अब उसको कहा गया है कि 7 डेज के अंदर प्रोवाइड करा दिया जाएगा. और तीसरा सर, इसमें जो इसके अंदर काम होते थे रूरल एरियाज़ में या कहीं पे भी, उसकी कैटेगराइजेशन कर दी है. पहले ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं था कि क्या काम आएंगे, तो अब है, इसमें कैटेगराइज कर दिया है. जैसे फर्स्ट होगा कि वाटर रिसोर्सेज के रिगार्डिंग, सेकेंड सर डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के रिगार्डिंग काम होंगे.
Sir, first of all, Uttarakhand has some religious sites which Himachal is lacking. Like Uttarakhand has Char Dham, Haridwar. So Himachal should come up with a unique policy because Himachal have more greenery, Himachal have more mountains and snowfall areas. Further, we have infrastructure like Atal Tunnel, 4 lanes coming, which have increased the accessibility. So Himachal can come up with ecotourism policy and diversify to new niche tourisms like adventure tourism, paragliding, etc. Sir, majorly the development of industrial services started from the 1991 economic reforms. During that time, there was IT boom around the world. Present now we have projects of 4 lane, which are planned based on the demands of the state today as well as in coming 30-40 years. Yeah. So surely Himachal was in the need of such infrastructure projects.
Ma'am, I am from village Sitpurgad, Tehsil Jwali, district Kangra. Ma'am, earlier I didn't think that forensic anthropology is part of it. I just think that cultural anthropology, archaeological anthropology, and more or less study about tribals are the basic core of the anthropology. But ma'am, when I came to my master's degree as well as preparing my optional, then ma'am, I know about this forensic angle of anthropology also. Sir, industrial sector, including sir pharmaceutical. Yes sir, at that time when I started my preparation, the defense was my first choice, and I gave 4 CDSSBs, but unfortunately not able to crack it. There onwards sir, I started preparation for the UPSC civil services examination because the background is same in both the exams. And secondly sir, like CDS provide you ample opportunities to bring change for your country.
Sir, I think digitization, e-governance can be one of the best solution, not eliminate entirely, but to curb to some extent. This e-governance step could be very beneficial, definitely sir, but to some extent I think this can be one step. Apart from that, there needs to be other checks and balances. Sir, basically it is a healthcare scheme, a kind of social security to the people, to get the health benefit for those people who are left out of the coverage of Ayushman Bharat scheme, which is run by the central government. है रास्ते का मुड़ जाना भी ज़रूरी है, सामने जो मंजिल तो फिर मज़ा क्या है समंदर का भराना भी ज़रूरी हो बस रेत जो साहिल तो फिर मज़ा क्या है.
Sir, there were 2 ancestors in my village. One name was Jamal and another one was Kalan. So the descendants of Jamal became Jamaltas and Kalan became Kalantas. So motivation could be from the side of the people who have themselves come out of the addiction centers. So sir, that is already been done in Himachal in some areas. So that I think is the good motivation because they will tell them their own stories, that how they have impacted from the drugs. So in that way, sir.
Pranayam also can help in this?
Yes sir, surely sir. Sir, it helps me to come to the reality, to understand the law of impermanence, that overthinking is not going to help me in any way. So I do practice Vipassana. Sir, you have to hit the cushion, in the front cushion that you have, and make an angle so that it comes to the different pocket.
Ma'am, after my engineering, they said do whatever you want, because they had belief in me. So I told them about my dream, and they supported me with full support, and that is it. Ma'am, particularly about services, I think definitely it provides us opportunity to work on the ground and connect with people directly, bring some significant change in their life. Ma'am, there are diverse sources. First one is state government devolution in accordance with the principle of State Finance Commission. Then second is central government devolution in accordance with the Finance Commission recommendation. Then is the grants given by the state government and central government. And some minute source is revenue and taxes that they collect on a daily basis, though it is a very less. Yes, ma'am. Particularly in Himachal Pradesh, I think we will have to strengthen the grassroots level economy because there is a lot of scope at village level which has not been harnessed so far. For example, there are a lot of agricultural fragmentation at the village. Second is cottage-based industries like in Lahaul Spiti, Kinnaur, Kullu. The cottage industry is having quite large potential, but it has not been harnessed so far. Apart from this, I think connectivity must be strengthened at the village level because there are very remote areas at the village in Himachal Pradesh. Other than this, I think medical facilities at the village level must also be strengthened.
So my name is Sheetal. I belong to district Sirmaur, Himachal Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from government school Gorak and then later Avian School Nahan. And after that, I did my graduation from the Dr. Weiss PG Patmar College, Nahan. Then I pursued my master's from HPU in sociology. And then I have been preparing for this examination. Hobbies is something that we enjoy doing in our daily lives whenever we have free or leisure time. So census is the calculation of the population, and we have till now the 2011 census, which was the 15th. Our women cooks really good food in India especially, but when it comes to earning, then we prefer men.
Sir, initially I was preparing for UPSC. So now I have shifted to HPAS. So this is my second attempt and first mains and first interview. So Deputy Commissioner is the key administrative head of all the departments. Sir, he has a role in implementing the ground level policies. And sir, as well as he is the chairman of Zilla Parishad who implement the policies at ground level. Sir, he also heads the various committees. And sir, he has various developmental as well as administrative roles. Sir, the problem mainly stems from human encroachment in the wildlife areas. So due to which the problem of human-wildlife conflict is increasing. So wisdom doesn't lie in spending such huge amounts of money in viewing a footballer who is of international credit and brings, sir, no credibility to India. Sir, Indian team should be promoted with such amounts of money. So the statement is somewhat right. Freedom of people who want to see Messi, who consider him as his role model or icon.
The main difference is fundamental rights are justiciable in nature. DPSPs are not justiciable. DPSPs are the direction to the states that how the states works. And fundamental rights are the rights of the citizens for which he is entitled. सर इसको दो टाइप से रोका जा सकता है. एक तो पहले प्रिवेंटिव जो इसकी चेन है उसको तोड़ा जा सकता है, और जब जो ड्रग एडिक्ट हो चुके हैं उनको रिहैब करके एक साइड से हम उन लोगों को भी कम कर सकते हैं. तो मेनली उस चेन को तोड़ने के लिए अभी एंटी चिट्टा मूवमेंट जो है वो नो सर इट इज़ नॉट ओके, बट as they are not justiciable, governments, many of the governments do that, but they should be justified, they should be followed. सर लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने धीरे धीरे सीखा और 2019 से मैं लगातार मेंस लिख रहा हूँ. मैं 6 मेंस लिख चुका हूँ, तो ये दिखाता है कि आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड ऑल्सो
आज दिल में एक उत्तेजना छाई, आज दिल में एक उत्तेजना छाई, खुशी की अलग सी बहार ही आई, खुशी की अलग सी बहार ही आई, बचपन का सपना साकार करने की अब बारी है आई, 3 जेंटल्समैन ने जब सवालों की बौछार लगाई। सर सुखाश्रय योजना सर अभी हिमाचल गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट किया है सर फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, सर जो ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रंस है उनके लिए। सर सरकार हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में से जो ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रंस है उनको अडॉप्ट करेगी अप टू द एज ऑफ 27 एंड सर फिर उनके स्टडीज़ के रिलेटेड एंड जो भी उनकी एक्टिविटी है लाइफस्टाइल है सर उसमें सारी जो पेमेंट है वो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से होगी। तो सर मोस्टली जो सरकार है वो बच्चों को अडॉप्ट कर रही है और सर उनको उनके लिए कोड दिया है सरकार ने अपनी तरफ से, सरकार ही माता सरकार ही पिता, कि उनकी जो सारी देखभाल है वो सरकार के द्वारा ही की जाएगी बच्चों की। और सर इसके लिए उनको ट्रिप एंड एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन सब पे उनका ध्यान रखा जाएगा। नहीं सर ऐसा ही हो सकता है क्योंकि सर जब पास्ट को हम सोचते हैं तो सर हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो सर उससे हम अपने दिमाग में ज़्यादा लोड लेते हैं कि ऐसा हुआ और ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, जब हम वैसा क्यों नहीं कर पाए। पर जब हम फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हैं तो सर हम ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस होते हैं कि हम कैसे करेंगे, कैसे कर सकते हैं, ऐसा होगा या नहीं होगा, तो सर हम उसमें एनजाइटी में होंगे ज़्यादा। सर जो लाइफ साइंस है वो सर जनरली रिलेट करती है सर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के लाइफ एंड बिहेवियर पैटर्न्स के ऊपर, एंड सर जो फिजिकल साइंस है सर वो मोर कंसंट्रेटेड है, इंक्लाइंड है टुवर्ड द फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री सर इसके ऊपर।
I think it has been mentioned by second ARC as well. So there should be periodic appraisal of every government servant after 5 years and 14 years. And the behavioral training as well as the sensitivity training of with respect to particular subject, also with respect to the evolving disciplines as well as the evolving technologies. So Ganga and Yamuna are floodplains and the sediments are more recent. So there is least possibility of having the petroleum there. Whereas the Krishna and Godavari basin, they age from Cretaceous Carboniferous period, which so it is the formation of rift valleys taking place. There is a continental divergence taking place from Afar Plateau, the eastern Ethiopian region, where it is separating from the African plate between the Mediterranean.
Sir, in older times, sir, a panel consists of multiple people decided whether the sir they come from different backgrounds, can be journalists, can be yes sir, eminent personality of their field, sir. But there is diversity, sir. I tried for placement when I was in college, sir. I didn't get selected. Thereafter, I decided to prepare for government jobs. So then I took coaching, and sir, geography was my optional subject. But IGNOU doesn't offer MS in geography as it has some practical aspects. So I took history as a second best option, as it will help me in another general studies subject, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I think the administration is moving toward e-governance, and the use of technology is increasing. So, sir, these things like direct benefit transfer and e-governance and public service delivery are going online, and grievance redressal mechanism is also online. So, I think these things will be easier for me as I am from the technical background. Sir, Ilbert bill controversy, जब सर इंडियंस के रिलेटेड कुछ भी केस होता था तो यूरोपियन जज उसको प्रिजाइड करते थे, पर अगर सर कोई कन्विक्टेड यूरोपियन है तो उसको कन्विक्ट करने के लिए कोई इंडियन जज नहीं हो सकता था। तो सर उसमें पैरिटी लाने के लिए एक बिल आया था कि इंडियन जज भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं अगर कोई यूरोपियन कोई क्राइम करेगा। तो सर वो फिर उस पर